Hello everyone, I am Ranjan Kumar Aramin, an estate agent by profession and owner of Rival Saloon at Chembur. Due to my interest in social work, I was associated with Chembur Karnataka Sangha, which runs the Chembur Karnataka High School and Junior College. Being an ex-student of the same school, I had been a member of the trust wherein I had discharged my duty with full honesty as per the rules of the trust. Unfortunately, some members of the trust leveled very serious allegations, baseless allegation to say, on me. And during the AGM held in 2019, they cancelled my life membership of the trust. One of the members of the Sangha, who happens to be a staff member of the school also, literally pushed me and leveled a very serious allegation. The allegation which I am investigating, and I am in search of some documents. Moment I get it, I will approach the court of law. They didn't stop here. They tried to defame me and my family even today. First, I want to start with the recent incident. I had submitted an application requesting for a duplicate living certificate from the school. I waited for more than a week. However, they have still not given me the duplicate copy, in spite of fulfilling all the requirements. Finally, on 28th of June, with the subject request to issue a duplicate living certificate, I received a letter from the HM stating that I need to submit a police loss certificate, and because of my removal from the membership, she had strictly told that I am prohibited to enter the premises, to enter the school and ask for a document as an ex-student is my constitutional right, and it cannot be denied except a order to that effect from the competent authority or the court of law. The action of the HM and the committee members is purely act of personal vengeance. I have taken up the matter with the charity office, and a recent order has been passed in my favor. I'll be releasing more videos to clear the baseless allegations. All my videos will be with evidence to prove that the allegations were baseless. Thanks for watching my video.